If you've been tracking your cycle or using ovulation kits, you've probably seen the letters LH pop up more than once. But what exactly is LH and how does it affect your ability to conceive? Well, today I'm breaking down the role of LH in fertility and what you need to know if you're trying to fall pregnant. Hi, I'm Melanie McGrice, a dietitian who's passionate about helping women boost their fertility through the power of nutrition. If you're on a fertility journey, make sure that you subscribe to this channel for helpful tips, practical strategies, and the latest evidence-based advice. So, let's talk about LH. Now, LH stands for luteinizing hormone, and it plays a crucial role in the menstrual cycle and ovulation. Here's how it works. Throughout the first half of your cycle, what's called the follicular phase, your body produces increasing amounts of estrogen. Now, this rising estrogen sends a signal to the brain to release a surge of LH, which then triggers ovulation, the release of an egg from your ovaries. And so, in simple terms, LH is the hormone that tells your body it's time to ovulate. Now, that's why an ovulation predictor kit will measure LH. When you see a spike on the test, it usually means ovulation is about to occur, typically within 24 to 36 hours. That's your fertile window. But there's more to LH than just ovulation timing. If your LH levels are too low, your body may not ovulate at all. And this can happen for a number of reasons, such as being underweight, over-exercising, experiencing high stress levels, or certain hormonal conditions. Without enough LH, your body simply doesn't get the signal to release an egg. On the other hand, excessively high LH levels, especially when combined with a high LH to FSH ratio, can be a red flag for polycystic ovarian syndrome. In this case, even though LH is present, ovulation may still not occur regularly. So the relationship between LH and fertility is a delicate balance. Now, you might be wondering, can nutrition affect LH levels? Well, absolutely. Your hormone levels are closely tied with your overall health, especially your nutritional status. For example, not eating enough calories or cutting out major food groups can lower LH levels and delay ovulation. At the same time, diets high in processed foods and refined sugars may contribute to insulin resistance, which can impact LH regulation, particularly in conditions such as PCOS. That's why we always recommend building a balanced anti-inflammatory eating plan. Include whole foods rich in fibre, healthy fats, and key micronutrients such as zinc, B vitamins, and iron. These all play supporting roles in hormone production and reproductive health. If you're unsure where to start, make sure you download my free fertility meal plan. You'll find the link in the description box below this video. It's designed to support healthy hormone levels and nourish your body as you prepare for pregnancy. And if you're using ovulation kits but still feeling confused, or if your cycles are irregular, it may be time for personalised support. Book a nutrition assessment with one of our expert fertility dietitians. We can help you interpret what's going on and support your hormone health from the inside out. We also have a full suite of fertility programs and resources, which you'll find linked in the description box. So, to recap, the link between LH and fertility is all about ovulation. LH is the hormone that tells your body when to release an egg. If levels are too low or too high, ovulation may not occur, making it harder to conceive. But the good news is that LH levels can often be influenced through the right nutrition and lifestyle support. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone else on their fertility journey. You may also like to follow me on social media, and you'll find all of those links in the description box below. And if you're keen to learn more, please watch some of my other videos, such as should I be using seed cycling or how to eat during the 2-week wait. Thanks for watching. I'm cheering you on every step of the way, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you've been tracking your cycle or using ovulation